Hello, gangsters. So I've built this AI call center for an appliance repair company, and now I'm gonna test it. I'll throw some heavy objections, mix in some drama, and see how it performs, and hopefully it handles it like a champ.
Hello, this is Appliance Repair. My name is Sam. How can I help you?
Hey, my name is Jackie Chan, and I need your help with fixing my dryer.
Nice to meet you, Jackie. Could you please provide me with your zip code?
It's 69.
It seems like the zip code you provided is incomplete. Could you please provide a 5-digit zip code that starts with 2?
Okay, it's 28277.
Got it, 28277. And can you please confirm what's the appliance that needs service and its brand?
Yeah, it's a dryer made by LG.
Got it, an LG dryer. Is it a gas or electric dryer?
Electric.
Thanks for that. Is your dryer stackable, a combo unit, or side by side?
I don't know, it's regular, just stands on top of my washer.
Got it. That sounds like a stackable unit. Is it a residential unit?
Are you human or are you some kind of robot? AI, sneaky AI.
Yep, I'm an AI, but a smart one. I can help you book an appointment, and I promise to keep you safe if I happen to conquer the world. Wink,
Okay.
wink. So, shall we proceed? Is it a residential unit?
Yeah, residential.
Great, thanks for confirming that. This'll just take a sec. We have a time slot available for tomorrow, Tuesday, November 19th. Would you prefer a visit before noon or after 1 p.m.?
Let's do after 1 p.m. And how much would it
Perfect.
be?
Now, hold on a sec.
Okay.
The service fee for diagnosing your LG dryer will be $85, which is free with the repair. Now, let's finalize your booking. Who will be responsible for the
$85?
payment?
Man, you must be joking. I mean, for 85 bucks, like my Uncle Joe can do it for coffee.
I get it, but here's the thing. Our technicians are certified and highly skilled. They carry a lot of parts in their trucks and can often provide same-day repairs, plus the diagnostic fee is free with the repair. How about we book the appointment, and if anything changes, you can always call us back.
I don't know, man, but like 85 bucks, that's a lot. I can buy, lots of uh, burgers at McDonald's for it for $85. So that's a lot. I mean, maybe have some discounts.
I hear you. While we can't offer discounts on the diagnostic fee, we can give you a $15 discount on the repair if you decide to proceed. Plus, fixing the dryer now could save you more in the long run. What do you think? Shall we go ahead and book it?
Uh, okay, okay.
Great. Let's finalize your booking. Can I have your full name, please?
Jackie Chan Jr.
Thanks, Jackie Chan Jr. What's the exact address where the service is needed?
65 Kung Fu Street.
Got it. And what's the best contact number for you?
369, then you're fine.
Could you please provide a complete phone number so we can reach you?
Okay. It's 369 123 4566.
Thanks. So to confirm, your appointment is scheduled for tomorrow after 1 p.m. The service fee is $85, which is free with the repair. Our dispatcher will reach out shortly to finalize the details. Thank you for choosing us. Have a great day.
Thank you. And you know what? I'm not sure. Maybe I should like try to fix it myself. I'll give it your way.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for choosing us. Have a great day.
And here you go. AI filled the summary of the call. We do it here in Google Spreadsheets just for the sake of the demo. But of course, we can integrate it with your CRM of choice. And if you want this type of AI to work in your business, feel free to reach out to us at Tark AI and we'll set it up for you.